whether you have enrolled as in an individual course, like any individual course, or probably you have taken the annual subscription plan or lifetime subscription plan, whatever, all courses, they actually include same content. So there is no difference in the content is same, features are same, and they are complete in all respect. So what do you get? You get topic videos, we call them lecture videos, topic videos, and they are detailed and for the complete syllabus, nothing is missing. Okay, so entire syllabus is covered in great detail. Then a lot of exam practice question videos you will get. So these question videos are either from mostly from BPP practice kit, ACCA past exams, or ACCA study hub. So a lot of question videos you will find. In fact, the question videos are, I would say, more than what is needed. So sometimes students, they actually decide to skip some of the question videos because there are a lot of them. And then study notes you get for each topic, for each chapter, for each subject. Customized study plan, I already have explained to you, study planner is important. You have to create a plan. So the link is given within your resources section, and go to this website and create your customized plan which matches your needs: Monday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday, how many, which days of the week you want to study, how many days, and then the system will start sending you notifications, and it will help you to keep you on track. Quizzes, it's an integral part. I know that some exams in ACCA, they are not quiz based like AFM, SBR, etc. But we do provide quizzes for those topics as well, because in our opinion, it is the best way to check your knowledge. Okay, so very quick way to check your knowledge. Do you understand the concept, theoretical concept or not? Can you produce the calculation or not? So quizzes are the quickest way of checking your knowledge, identifying your knowledge gaps, and giving you feedback where you can learn those missing areas. Weekly assignments and progress tests are very important. They help you to keep you on track. So chapter 1, 2, you have done one assignment. Chapter 3, 4, you do one assignment. You have finished chapter 5, one progress test. So there are going to be 3 progress tests, one final mock exam. Tutor support, extremely important. All those people who are active in the WhatsApp group, they get very good results. So please join the WhatsApp group and remain active in the WhatsApp group and ask questions in the WhatsApp group. And not only you ask questions, but you pay attention to the questions which others have asked. Join the weekly live sessions. For doing additional practice, it will give you an opportunity. It will put you into discipline. So every Wednesday or every Thursday or every Saturday, whatever is the day, join this live session so that you have a commitment and responsibility. You stay on track and you interact with the teacher and you do more practice questions. And then take the final mock exam and get the feedback and see your weak areas, and then, fill in those knowledge gaps before you go to exam. It has to be a logical way of preparing yourself. So it's not like just reading the book and going to exam.